Yes. Hi guys, Brian with Cowtown USA here in Cuba, Missouri. This week and next week, we're talking to you guys because we got some of our biggest discounts, cashback discounts, rebates, biggest of the year. We've got the world famous Can-Am Outlanders for deer hunting season, and the guys are coming in here. You can get in and out of places easy with these, but they're fuel injected, they're liquid cooled, 2 or 4-wheel drive on the fly, independent trailing arm rear suspension, the best riding ATV in the industry, and the most horsepower. Our 450 has 38 horsepower. The Honda Rincon, I think it's a 680, it's got the same amount of horsepower. So our 450 has as much horsepower as a 650 of the competition. So that's what you're dealing here with Cowtown. You're dealing with the most torque, the best horsepower, the highest horsepower, and the best riding machine out there. We've got them this week and next week, and they're affordable, they're easy to get into, and we've got farm deals for you ag guys. You want to get the farm deals, we've got those discounts also that you can use them on the farm. But you got to go to our website, CowtownUSAInc.com. And hey, here's a little teaser. Listen up. All you drag race guys, you watch Street Outlaws, you watch those guys. Next Saturday, which would be, I think, November 2nd, St. Louis Street Kings are going to be here. You're going to see Tony LaCrone with his Blue Madness Camaro. You're going to see the shot caller Dave. But all these guys have been on Discovery Channel racing. They're going to be here next Saturday. So listen, St. Louis Street Kings, just a little preemptive motivational speech for you. If you like drag racing, you want to come see the hot rods, they're going to have them here next Saturday. Go to our website, CowtownUSAInc.com.